Easily make stickers from your photos on your Google Pixel. First, take a photo where the object or person you would like to make into a sticker is the prominent or ideally the only subject in the photo. Open the Google Photos app on your phone. Select the photo you'd like to use. Press and hold on the subject you would like to make into a sticker. You should see it being outlined and highlighted, and a Copy Sticker button appear. Tap Copy Sticker. The sticker is now on your device's clipboard. You should see a little preview of the sticker at the bottom left, as well as a share button. You can tap the share button, then select an app to send or share to. Otherwise, open the app you'd like to use the sticker in, press and hold in a text field, and select Paste. The created sticker is an image file with a transparent background, so you can use it in a variety of apps, including design apps. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.